I'm Oscar Ledlin and we're down here at 194 Rooks Road. As you can see, a lot of progress since we last showed you through. Let's take a look. As you can see, a lot of progress down in the basement here at Vermont Inc. Construction now 100% complete. The guys are busy polishing the floors, fantastic for stain resistance, it minimises dust and it looks fantastic. We're always refining finishes right up until the last minute. So as you can see here, we're still picking an exact sample for the walls. We really want to bring that beachy theme of upstairs with the brushed gold and the white stone down into the basement as well. So a few finishing touches and we'll start to see this thing come to life.
Replay them nights and right by my side, all I see is the sea of people that round me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child, the things that created became the most rated. I gotta find balance and give me a smile.
We've been overwhelmed with the sales success down here at Vermont Inc. The project reaching a milestone of 80% sold. We've also secured a fantastic operator for our cafe. We're looking at a Vietnamese fusion with a twist is what we're told, so we're excited to see how that takes shape.